Sonic the Hedgehog. One special character. The missing diamond. Turn it over. We have the barcode. We have the blurb. And we have a picture at the back of the comic. So excellent stuff. Also known as Danger Ranger. So we have the character list. We have Sonic, Diamond, and Mr. Robotnik. Check out the comic panels. Sleeping. Where's me diamond? Come back! Why is the door small? Yes, diamond. Oh, what happened to Robotnik? This is very, very good. Excellent choice of colors. Excellent. Well done. 5 out of 5 stars.